So here is my MOV file. Now I will convert this MOV file to MP4 using my VLC Media Player. So from VLC Media Player, click on Media and click on Convert and Save. Here click on Add, and now from your computer select the MOV file and click on Open. Once the file successfully here opened, click on Convert and Save. Now click on this profile drop down, and here you have to select this video H.265 plus MP3 MP4 option, and then click on this destination file browser. Then select a location to export the file and rename the file just like this, and click on Save. Click on Start, and we can see the file is now converting. Once finished, go back to your file explorer, and here we can see my MOV successfully converted to MP4. Thanks for watching.